A very good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. In today's class, we'll be starting new chapter, that is chapter number 15, average. This is the last chapter of your half-yearly course. So first of all, what is average? Average, it is the sum of the number divided by the number of addendums. So in today's class, we'll be doing exercise 15. In this, we'll be doing the questions based on average. The question number 1, I have written, find the average of following 3, 4 and 5. How to find the average? First of all, you have to add 3 plus 4 plus 5. How many numbers are there? 1, 2 and 3. So, divided by 3. Now, 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So the answer is 4. Let us do another problem. If we have to find the average of 8 and 10, then first of all, add this two number, 8 plus 10. How many numbers are there total? 2. Now, 8 plus 10 is 18 upon 2. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Now, let us do, if in the question it is given, find the average of first 5 odd number. If we have to find the average of first 5 odd numbers. So I hope that you know what are the odd numbers, like 1, 3, 5, 7. These are the odd number. What are the even number? 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the even number. So we have to find the average of first 5 odd number. So the average, first of all, write first 5 odd number, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Divided by how many are there total? 5. If you add this all number, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 7 is 25 upon 5. So here we get 5. So the average of first 5 odd numbers is 5. Now let us do some word problems which are related to the average. In the question, it is given that during a week, barber gave 40 haircuts on Sunday. Let us do the word problem which are based on the average. Here in the question, it is given that there is a barber. That barber does the haircut on Sunday. Haircut given on Sunday. Haircut given on Sunday. On the Sunday, the barber gave 40 haircuts. On Monday, the barber gave 26 haircuts. On Tuesday, the barber gave no haircut. So I am writing here 0. On Wednesday, the barber gave 35 haircut. On Thursday, the barber gave 25 haircut. On Friday, the barber gave 31 haircut, and on Saturday, he gave 32 haircut. These are the haircut which are given by the barber on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Here I have written the number. So in the question we have to find the average number of haircut he gave during a week. We have to find the average haircut given in a week. So how we'll be finding the average haircut? We have to add this all. That is 40 plus 26 plus 0 plus 35 plus 25 plus 31 plus 32. I have add this all. You have to add this all divided by the total. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So divided by 7. So if we add this all here, if you do the addition of this all, you will be getting 189. So 189 divided by 7. If you divide 189 by 7, you will be getting 27. So 27 haircuts are given by a barber in a week. Now let us do the question number 7. That is on page number 228. We have to find the average of the following cricket player. On page number 228, that is question number 7. There a table it is drawn. So I will be drawing this table on the board. Here a table is drawn in the question number 7. The name of the two batsmen it is given. One is the Don Bradman and another it is S.M. Gavaskar. These are the two cricketers. Some might be knowing their names also who used to watch the cricket. Then here what is given? First of all, innings are given. INNIGS, innings. After the innings, runs are given. You all know the cricket. What are the runs taken in the cricket? And number of time not out. This table it is given in your book. So I am drawing this on the board. Now I am writing the innings of the Bradman is 7 and Gavaskar it is 214 and the runs taken it is 974. Here the runs taken is 10122. Now number of times not out 0 and 16. Now what we have to find out? We have to find the average of the following cricket player. We have to find the average separately of both the cricket players. So first of all, let us find the average of the Bradman. We are finding the average, Bradman's average first of all. So how to find the average? We will be dividing 974 with the 7. So if we divide 974 with 7, we will be getting 139. So this is the average of the Bradman. Then we will be finding the average of the Gavaskar. Now here you can see innings are 214 and number of times not out is 16. So first of all, we will be subtracting 214 with the 16. You have to subtract it. So if you subtract it, we will be getting 198. Then we have to divide the total run. These are the total run of the Gavaskar with the 198. So if we do this division, you will be getting 51. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.